guys, I am Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome. As you all know, in the recent times, our little ones have been going through a very rough patch. They are so used to going to play outside, they love going to schools, but due to pandemic, they aren't able to do both of it. So as a parent, I always keep searching for some amazing boxes and I always want them to have fun and learning together at the same time. So recently I came across this fantastic box for the little ones and I'm going to show you guys what's there inside. Also, it is a super amazing box with lots of activities and lots of interesting goodies inside. So come, let's see with me. So I'm talking about this super interesting brand. It's called Sparkle School. I have done a collaboration with them because I know as a parent I'm always out on a hunt to find some amazing activity boxes for the little one. So I have received this super humongous box. It's a brand called Sparkle School and this is the age 2 to 6 years old and this is K1 kid, that is KG1 kid. And as you can see, the box itself is so bright and colorful and it's pretty heavy. So I know there's going to be some fun activities so that the parent and the child can enjoy it at the same time, get to learn a lot and also be creative at the same time. So I'm going to unbox the box with you guys and I'm going to show you what's inside and how this activity box works. Sparkle Box School, and this kit is K1 2 to 6 years old and you have to visit the website for more details. That's sparklebox.school. As I open this box, they have some amazing activities out here and let's open one by one. So they've given you a Ziploc bag and as I open these, okay, so this has all the essentials that you would need during an art and craft activity. They have given you paper plates, they have given you crayons, they have given you a glue, it's a pretty big bottle. They've also given you cotton and they've given you paints, sponge ball and felt pens and also some craft activities out here, origami papers and also a scissor they have provided, which is a cool thing because most of the time when we do activity you never find a scissor in the house. And they've also given you the ice cream sticks, straw and a paintbrush. So basically everything has been covered inside in terms of your activity essentials. Now the beauty about this box is that they have given you activities. They have actually organized the activities for you week wise, and as I open this you're going to see that they have already labeled, which says week 1, week 2, then we have week 3, we have week 4, 5, 6 and it goes on till 12 weeks. So the program has been entirely done for you for 12 weeks, which is very interesting because most of the time we don't understand what to start with. Then they have also given you some of the cards here. So this is week 11 activity. As you can see, they have already given you everything. Also this comes with a sheet inside as to what you have to do on day 1, day 2, which I'm going to take you with me. Then they have given you an art and craft book. So this is, it says things you will need, cotton, Google Eyes and what they have provided here. And that's how you're going to do the activities. They have also given you a cutting out here, which you'll cut it and you can paste it in the child's room. The child is going to be super proud of the activity he or she has done. And as you see, it's very bright, very colorful. I am loving it. The quality of this paper is excellent because the paint will not come on the next page. It says stick me on your art wall. So these are the activities that they have provided you and I am loving it. Next is this My A to Z Picture Talk book. And as I open this, you will see that they have given you all the words and with the help of phonics, which they have given the activity, you can see what's inside. So there's Lily, lunch, library, then alphabet M and the entire alphabet book that they have given to you, which is again a superb thing because then you don't have to invest in another books from the outside. Then this is called Number Ride Numeracy Skills Volume 1. And they have also given you like colors, the homework also they have given you, then number, then trace the numbers like alphabets, which my son right now is at that age and he can do all these things. And they've given you small arrows, just follow the arrow and then you can write. And as you see here, they've given you 6 blocks for them to teach. And also this is draw the lines from number 6 to group of insects that have 6 members. And that's how here it is. Then the next book is called K1 Literacy Kit. And this is again on the alphabet pattern wherein you have to write small alphabets, N, E, and so on and so forth. So this is a very, very interesting book, because so many times we end up buying boxes from Amazon. We mostly pick up, you know, what do you call, different books, but everything has been taken care of in this one. So I'm going to show you how they have planned for you. So as you can see, I've taken week 1 and they've already labeled it, which is really helpful. And they've already planned the activity for you, how you have to go about, what you have to do, what you have to teach, and how much time, you know, you can spend with your child in a day. You can just, you know, decide that and you can take care of it. So day 1 they've given you literacy, numeracy, visual arts, and in this section they've given you concepts, which says letters, sound S, then identify numbers 1 to 10, colors of the rainbow, and then in prerequisites they've already told you what all you would be needing. So this is that, and as I turn the page you will see it's till day 5, because 6th and 7th day is an off day for our little ones, and this is how it looks. So as you see, literacy, that's pattern tracing, letter, sound, S, sight words, because most of the time we as parents are always wondering, what should I start with? Will my child understand? Will my child not understand? Is he in a mood? For which they have already given you the curriculum, they have already planned everything for you, and it's not difficult, because see, if I say K1 week 1, I know what activities they have given you. Everything is inside this. It's not divided into different pockets that I have to hunt through. So all I have to do is pick up week 1, take out the sheet, and whatever activities they have given inside this, I just have to take that out. Now say for example I'm traveling and it's week 3, all I have to do is just take this pouch along with me, and I don't have to worry about the essentials. Of course I will have to carry this pouch, and I can just take out whatever is needed from this pouch, and I can just put it in a smaller kit for whatever activities I would need. So if you're, say you're traveling, you're visiting your family, or you're visiting your friends, or you're just doing a weekend getaway, and you know you're going to take a longer time to stay there, so this is how you can go about. And as you saw the kit was very interesting with fun, and the chapters that they have taken care of is your English, your maths, and science. And as you saw, that has been taking care of your weekly plans, which again is a very, very plus point. Also, you know, it becomes more interesting, more fun when you give your child a limited amount of activities and not dump everything at once. So it goes gradually, goes over a period of time, and the child gets to learn. You are also well sorted that, you know, you could do some educational activity with your child. I as a parent have signed up for this Sparkle Box school, and I have seen some amazing interesting development in my son, because he has enjoyed the box, he has played with the box, and he has had fun with it. Also, if you are a parent like me who is always worried as to what best you can do for your little one, do visit Sparkle Box school and enroll your child into it and see how they sparkle, how they have fun, and how they enjoy the box.